The 1963 Chevrolet Split Window Corvette by Kindig-it Design, a stunning masterpiece that merges timeless beauty with contemporary engineering. At the core of this 1963 Split Window Corvette lies a formidable GM Performance LSX engine with Harrop Induction and custom-made Art Deco-style intakes. This powerhouse engine delivers an impressive 670 horsepower. The engine is paired with a 6L90E transmission, ensuring smooth and responsive gear changes, making every drive an unforgettable experience. The Corvette is built on a Roadster Shop Fast Track Elite frame, providing a solid foundation for its high-performance components. Wheels and tires. Custom billet specialties Reaper wheels, with the front wheels measuring 19x8 and the rear wheels measuring 20x12 Reaper Extreme. These stunning wheels are paired with S4 Michelin Pilot Sport tires, redlined by Diamondback Classics. Featuring a range of custom modifications that enhance its timeless beauty. The front grille opening has been dropped by 3 inches, creating a more aggressive and streamlined look. The bumpers have been flush-mounted, and the exhaust now passes through the rear bumper, adding a touch of modern flair to the classic design. Custom lower rocker trim, billet hood vents, and Kindig-it smooth classic chrome door handles further enhance the car's visual appeal. The window trim has been triple-plated by Ogden Chrome, adding a touch of elegance to the overall design. Step inside the 1963 Chevrolet Corvette, and you'll find a cabin that merges classic elegance with modern comfort. The interior features a full leather interior in the color Spice, meticulously crafted by JS Custom Interiors. The combination of high-quality leather and bespoke craftsmanship ensures that the interior is both luxurious and comfortable. The dashboard features custom LED accent lighting on the gauges and glove box, adding a touch of modern flair to the classic design. The car is also equipped with a full kicker sound system, hidden inside the car to maintain